okay. So my sat-nav's decided it's not sat-naving. So we're just gonna hope for the best. We're gonna take our time, because we're on our own, being brave, doing the thing. I haven't bought any money. Need to turn around because I haven't brought my purse. And that's because I never bring any money when I go out with Joe. So we're going to take the next left and come round on ourselves, and then we'll have a second go in a moment when we've been home and got some money. That's because we did that much fizzing. We weren't sure, were we? All happens for a reason. Maybe we were meant to have a little detour down here. Well, that was a nice first ride, wasn't it? Oh, dearie me. At least we remembered before we got too far away from the house. Where's my purse? Okay, let's have a see. We'll take that, and we'll take that so they know that I can do the thing. Okay, let's try and fix the sat-nav whilst we stop. We got our purse now. Can afford our drink when we get there. But that little round the block was not horrendous. And we even found neutral when we got back quite quickly. So let's celebrate the small wins. Okay, let's fire it up. This mirror is awful. Let's try that. Okay. Right. Let's go again. Now I want to go left here. So we're going to slow down. And we're going through this bumpy bit. Oh my god. That wasn't good. Okay. But we're going. We're doing it. No one's behind us. That's safe. Okay. Down the hill. Excellent choice of road, Em. I'm going to stop at this junction because I know it's quite difficult to see out. I've been here in the car. So let's come to a stop. Oh yeah, this car's coming anyway. That felt a bit more justified. So there's some fresh air. I did just achieve that status then where I got looked at by them two men in that car because female out by self. Not gonna lie, shouldn't, but gives you that little like, oh, check me doing the thing. It's been such a hard journey for me this year learning to ride, and I've done it. Hopefully I've picked a scenic route for you all as you come in with me. Right over there, check that up. Woohoo! It's a bit of a tight right turn here and all, and there is another tight left turn coming as well. But it is a glorious day. Oh. It's horrendous. Part of me is having this thought. Say horrendous. No, that's not the right word. Interesting. I'm going to go with interesting. Interesting, because I'm having these thoughts now of like, why did I not do this sooner? But I was not ever ready. Main road shut. I hope that's not my road. I was never ready. I never wanted to do this. And then something this year just clicked and felt different, and it felt like it was my time to have a go at this and join in. And now I'm off doing it on my own, hoping that it's going to go okay. We're going to find out. Oh, but if that's the M42, oh, the bus is now indicating. Oh my god, have I got to go around this bus? Oh my god, that was a first, and an on my own first. Oh. okay, we're doing okay. Look at that field, is that lavender? What is that? Oh, I might need to stop here and look. I might even just check my sat nav as well. Like, but I kind of feel like I need to just look in this field. But it's not lavender, but it's some beautiful purple thing. Actually, I don't know how I can go in there, in that gravel. Can we? Okay, mildly janky, but we made it in there. Okay, you have to be careful when we come out of this. Okay. Finding neutral on this bike, I tell you. Oh, well, it's too hot for that. Right, we'll just turn it off in gear, but we're going to remember it's in gear. But is that safe? Does that feel safe? That feels safe. Let's just look at my sat nav a second.
GPS signal lost.
Oh, that's why. GPS is lost. Okay, so it's not all bad. Along here, left, right, keep going, straight on, into Ashby. Cool. Round we go. Check in, nothing there, moving out. Not that one. Staying here. Not going to Burton. Oh, it wants me to go on the big road. Oh. Is it a big road? Is it putting me... Oh my god, it's putting me on the dual carriageway. Oh, this is not what I was planning. But this is what I've done to myself, so deal with your situation. I haven't got many other options. Check me out, remembering to do a piece to camera, because I've done a piece to my phone for Instagram and then nearly forgot about all of you. So I have made it to Ashby. Sadly, the tea room I was planning on coming to isn't open, but I have found this Aurora Cafe where I'm just having a little cold drink because it's so warm today, and thinking about my next move, because my idea was I was going to come to the cafe, going to film the cafe, I was going to have a cute little scone, it was going to have a really nice feeling about it for me. Instead I'm now just sat outside here so I can have a little freshen up, but I might keep going and go to the Superbike Factory. It's another 15 minutes north of here, and at the moment I'm feeling okay about it. I feel like it's doable, and then it will mean my ride home is longer, but yeah, I might consider that. Well, this guy's blocked me in, so I'm stuck till he comes out of Greg's getting his Just Eat the order. We'll give it a go.
Sorry, darling.
Not going to be very loud because everyone's having a nice relaxing time. I'm sat outside the Superbike Factory, doing a little tour of inside, found a bike that I like. I have got myself a cake eventually, even after my tea room was shut. Remember to show you before I eat it. before I end up in a sticky mess because the sun is melting it, but it is really, really nice weather. So far, I would say my first solo ride is going pretty well. I'm still alive, we're still doing it. Lots of bikes to look at. Bumped into somebody I was learning with. It's going pretty well. Feels weird without Joe, not gonna lie. Doing this feels weird without Joe. The actual me being on the bike, I'd say that feels okay. Hope you're enjoying it. We're going to do our best to avoid the big roads going home, because we don't want that. Oh, if it's warm today. Check me out. Been out all the day. Doing it. I'm being and I'm doing it. And I met a man when I was in Ashby, and he was saying he's not ridden a bike since he was 19, he's now 67, he's thinking about it. I was like, do it. I learned this year, it was hard to learn, but did it. Stop. I don't know where I was going then. 300 yards, turn right. Does she know where I am now? Take the next right onto Hill Street. Oh, this is going to go up a bloody hill, isn't it? It's all in the name. Clues in the name. Oh, look at that thatched cottage roof. Look how pretty. Right, I turned right, and then where am I going? Because if you say right, you're taking me back where I've just come from, love. The second right onto Burton Road. Second right? So does that mean going right? Does she want me to go back where I've come from? Like, I don't understand what she's asking of me really here now. Oh, here we are. I know where we are. There's yoga. Not far from home. So no, we're not going to stop for fuel. Because I don't think there's a fuel station here on this bit, to be fair.